maybe try and play a genuine sweep.
No. I'm not so sure. I know it's in the laws of the game. Laws have changed, so if she was in a delivery stride, she was well within her rights to do that.
TV umpire to director. I'm checking for a run out at the baller's end. If I can see your best side on angle, please. I'm ready with my decision for the big screen.
Well, they're going to debate that for a long time, but it is in the laws of the game. The laws of the game state that if she's in her delivery stride and the non-striker leaves her crease, you can be run out at the non-striker's end. Charlie Dean ends in tears. And remember, it is in the laws of the game.